Ever wondered what are the top 5 backend programming languages? In the vast world of technology, backend programming languages are integral. These are the silent heroes, working behind the scenes to ensure the smooth operation of your favorite sites and applications. They handle things like server-side logic and database interactions, essentially the backbone of any web application. Understanding them can unlock a wealth of opportunities. Today, we're going to dive into the top 5 backend programming languages that are in high demand. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have PHP. A true stalwart in the programming world, PHP has carved a niche for itself in web development, thanks to its flexibility and easy integration with HTML. It's the backbone of major applications like WordPress, powering over a third of the world's websites. Its syntax may not be the prettiest, but PHP's versatility ensures it continues to hold its own in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Despite its age, PHP remains a solid choice for web development. Rolling in at number 4, we have C#. This robust language, with an object-oriented approach and strong typing, is a key player in Microsoft's .NET framework. Its versatility is admirable, finding widespread use in the development of enterprise software. But that's not all. C# also shines in the gaming industry, notably with the Unity game engine. Its power and flexibility make it a darling among developers. C# continues to be a powerful language for a variety of applications. Climbing up to number 3, we have Python. Python is renowned for its simplicity, making it a favorite for beginners. Its syntax is clean and easy to understand, giving it an edge in readability. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is incredibly versatile, lending itself to a wide range of applications. Whether it's building a sleek web application or delving into the complex world of machine learning, Python steps up to the challenge. Python's broad usability makes it a powerful tool in any developer's toolkit. Coming in at a close second, we have Java. Born in the mid-90s, Java's mantra of write once, run anywhere speaks to its platform independence. It scales beautifully, making it the backbone of many enterprise-scale applications worldwide. But Java's influence doesn't stop there. It's the driving force behind Android app development, powering millions of apps on the Google Play Store. From small startups to tech giants, Java's robustness and versatility keep it near the top of our list. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. At number 1, we have JavaScript. JavaScript, a high-level, interpreted programming language, has truly made its mark in the realm of web development. Its dominance in browser-based applications is unparalleled, giving developers the tools to create dynamic and interactive web pages. But JavaScript isn't just a one-trick pony. It's also a major player in front-end development, a realm it has virtually reinvented. But what about back-end? Well, that's where Node.js comes in. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime that has expanded the language's horizons into server-side scripting. This means JavaScript can now handle databases, file systems, and more, all on the server side. It's this versatility, along with its ease of use and the growing community of JavaScript developers, that has propelled JavaScript to the top of our list. With its wide range of applications and growing popularity, JavaScript is currently the reigning champion of back-end programming languages. So there you have it, the top 5 back-end programming languages. PHP, a veteran in the game, the versatile C#, the ever-popular Python, the corporate favorite Java, and the omnipresent JavaScript, each with their unique strengths, from web development to data analysis, from enterprise applications to dynamic websites. The beauty lies in their versatility and specific applicabilities. Remember, the best language depends on your specific needs and goals, so keep exploring and happy coding.